Today's lesson is to learn about lamps on and off. Two examples show how to use relays and PLCs in an electrical sequence. First, in the first example, two lamps are controlled using a relay that is often used in an electrical sequence. In the second example, we will use the PLC to control three lamps. There are two lamps on the screen. Both the PL1 and PL2 lamps light up on the limit switch LS input. Each lamp of PL1 and PL2 can be turned on or off according to the SS1 and SS2 select switches respectively. Whenever there is a limit switch LS input, all lamps should be lit. When there is no LS input, all should be off. If the select switch under the lamp is turned to no input, the lamp should go out. I hope you have time to think about how the electrical sequence is organized. Understand simulator behavior and simply draw electrical sequences.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Input on. LS. Input on. SS1. Input off. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input on. SS1. Input off. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input on. SS1. Input off. LS. Input on. LS. Input off. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input off. LS. Input on. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input on. LS. Input off. SS1. Input off. SS2. Input off. LS. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Earlier, we learned about the electrical sequence that controls the lighting and turning off of lamps. This time, it is easier to control each lamp lighting through PLC. Each of the selector switches will show the lighting of the lamp. Like the screen configuration, the control box contains a PLC. To the right is the limit switch LS and the lamp and selector switches respectively. As in the previous electrical sequence, all lamps should light up if there is a limit switch LS input. Each individual selector switch controls lighting and turning off. Check the input and output of the PLC through the input-output structure. Let's start the simulator operation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Input on. LS. Input on. SS1. Input off. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input on. SS3. Input off. SS3. Input on. SS1. Input off. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input on. SS3. Input off. SS3. Input on. SS1. Input on. SS3. Input off. LS. Input on. LS. Input off. SS1. Input off. SS3. Input on. SS2. Input off. SS2. Input off. LS. Input on. SS1. Input on. SS2. Input on. SS3. Input on. LS. Input off. SS1. Input off. SS2. Input off. SS3. Input off. LS. Input off. Wiring breaker.
We previously controlled 2 lamps via relays in the electrical sequence. This time, I tried to control 3 lamps easily through PLC. I hope you can create a configuration that can be used in various lighting projects. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.